At Bharat Forge Limited, our task is very simple and plain. We want to serve the community we live in. To attain this, we use our three tools: engage, equip, and empower. We walk on a pathway our mentors have defined for us. We follow our leader. We have aligned our CSR with the Sustainable Development Goals of the UNO. Correlation between man and machine has enhanced the way we work and live. However, the science of understanding has made a difference. At Bharat Forge, it is known as human engineering. 42 years ago, Bharat Forge initiated a movement towards the upliftment of the community. After 4 decades, it has touched the lives of millions. The 7 key rings adorn the structure of this mission's pathway. Our CSR activities are testimony to our commitment towards inclusion, dignity, and community welfare. The CSR program of Bharat Forge is enveloped in 5 initiatives. The very first step in fulfilling this dream is towards nurturing 100 villages. This tiny growing plant of our CSR initiatives has already started producing very encouraging yields. Knowing that the soul of this country resides in rural India, we have ushered the best of our efforts over here. In this initiative, we are focusing on 5 major indicators. Water is the most critical resource and issue of our lifetimes, and therefore, it takes the coveted place in our CSR initiatives.
त्या वस्तीतली शाळेतली मुलं राहिला दवाखान्याला कोणाला जायचं म्हणलं इमर्जन्सी तर त्याला अक्षरशः उचलून न्यावं लागायचं. आता या काळात एकदम छान रोड झालाय आणि ह्याच्यावर 2 व्हीलर काय ॲम्ब्युलन्स वगैरे काय पण जाऊ शकते.
आम्हाला आता भरपूर पाणी तर आता फुल वाहतंय आणि पुढच्या मार्च एप्रिल मे मध्ये तर आम्हाला कसलंच पाणी कमी पडणार नाही.
भारत फोर्ज लिमिटेड पुणे या ठिकाणी एक ओढाजोड प्रकल्प राबवलेला आहे. हे अशा पद्धतीचं हे ओढाजोड प्रकल्पाचं पाणी या ठिकाणी 4.5 किलोमीटर अंतरावरून या कानिपनाथच्या पायथ्याला पोहोचलंय.
We believe that right livelihood should be within the reach of everyone.
रानात गाळ भरल्यामुळे त्याची सुपीकता वाढली.
सुरुवातीला माझे एकरी तर साधारण 50,000 रुपयाची एकरी उत्पन्न निघायचे. आता माझे डबल किंवा दुप्पट झालेलं आहे.
We impart community actions to support multifold health initiatives. Education remains the imperative engine in the scenario of community development programs. Investment in infrastructure is a long-time commitment that growth efforts make sustainable. Inclusivity etches the critical parameters for any efforts towards fruitful community development. Education is the single premise of progress in every society, in every family. We partnering with government and private educational institutions, Bharat Forge has supported diverse, innovative skill development programs. The Lakshya Sports Development Program identifies, nurtures and supports promising sports talent across the country. Every individual in our organization believes in giving back, not only in monetary terms but by serving in the communities. Our efforts have been appreciated locally. Yet, on receiving the coveted Golden Peacock Award, Bharat Forge benchmarked its efforts of corporate excellence worldwide. At Bharat Forge, we are aware that this is just a beginning in a long, long journey.